there. So it's Ria with you again. Wondering this kind of place in Sharjah, actually nasurpresa din ako. If you will ask where it is in Sharjah, it's actually in Al Majaz waterfront, which is actually opposite side of Dera, not Dera, it's Sharjah City Center. It is in Corniche. Before kasi, siguro 5 to 6 years back, hindi to ganito kaganda. Yet now, pumunta ulit ako dyan. Kasama ko yung boss ko kasi nagkaroon siya ng meeting and I have the chance na mag-video and mag-photo dito nga sa Al Majaz for me to share with you guys na ganito na pala sila kaganda. So, eto, nag-inarte ang lola mo dyan. Nagkunwaring, anong tawag dyan? Broadcaster. Baka broadcaster naman. But then, yun nga, tinanggal ko na yung audio nito. Kasi, parang wala namang sense yung sinasabi ko dyan. So, tinanggal ko na lang. Actually, I just wanted to show you guys na ang ganda kasi talaga. Tapos, eto maganda talaga sa winter na pasyalan na. Meron ding mga, it's for the family dahil may yung mga kids, may mga activities na pwede nilang paglaruan. In such place, meron ding malawak na parking. However, ang parking fees is as per your salik. As you know, ang salik po is as per na sa plate number mo. Hindi na dun sa sticker na ni-stick sa front mirror, diba? Before ganun may sticker din nakalagay dun yung salik. Ngayon wala na. Kahit wala ka ng stick nan, yung system ngayon is as per the plate number of the car na. So, I shared this good scenery, places to relax din para mapuntahan nyo at ma-visit and for you to experience kung gaano ka-relaxing yung place. As you can see guys, napaka-greenery naman. Then, meron din mga bench na pwede mong pag-upuan. But I suggest na pumunta kayo dito at night time or winter time kasi during summer actually really it is not advisable. However, kung gusto mo lang mag-pictorial, ganun, maganda rin for pictorial ito. At the same time, front siya ng lake. Ayan o, as you can see. Upo ka lang dyan, then isang coffee, okay na eh. Magpapas na talaga ang isang oras mo dyan at marirelax ka na talaga. But then, sa pictorial, maganda rin talaga ang bonggang-bongga. As far as I know, meron din tong dancing fountain sa gabi. Yun nga lang, hindi ko nakita yung info on what time sila nag-ooperate doon sa fountain. So, kinuhanan ko ang place na to for me. Sabi ko nga, to show you guys, but ito kasing building na yan, may special connection sa akin na dapat ko talagang kuhanan eh. Hindi ko na lang muna sasabihin kung ano, but then, malalaman nyo din in the future. Hindi ko pa kasi alam kung anong magiging output nito, but then, merong special connection ang building na yan. So, take note of that building dahil may follow-up update ako kung magkakaroon ng output. But then, for now, gusto ko munang ipakita sa inyo yung surroundings ng building na yan. As you can see guys, napakaganda for pictorial. And ito yung lake. Then, yung makikita yung green dun sa malayo, parang yun yung island dyan sa Sharjah. As you can see guys, ang ganda. Actually, kalapit lang ito ng Tim Hortons. So, as you can see, it is along Al Wada. At napakagandang pagmuni-munihan. Diba? One day, babalikan ko uli ang lugar na to. But then, I think that was 2000... Hindi ko talaga tanda. But then, nung unang pumunta yung mga anak ko dito, nagpumasyal kami dyan. Ayan, sa place na yan. At nagpicture-picture. At mga bata pa yung anak ko. At hindi pa talaga ganyan kaganda. However, ngayon, ang ganda na talaga. So, for you guys to find out, kindly visit this Al Majaz waterfront in Sharjah. It's actually just near in Al Wada Center. Just opposite side of Sharjah City Center, just another road you will find this place. So yun lang guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until my next wonder na ma-share ko sa inyo. I hope you enjoy it guys. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone. Bye!